Yo, what's going on, guys? Got a little something in the mail. It's already installed in the bed, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through with you guys and show you how I went ahead and mounted my WaterPort. First things first, I didn't think about this, didn't think it through, but I wanted to mount it right here in the bed, but I didn't realize that you had to slide these in. So now when you slide it in, obviously the soft top mount gets stuck in the way. So I have to undo this really quick just to mount this. And it's gonna go right here. So this is about where it's gonna sit. Hopefully it fits with this. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Okay. So in the last 5 minutes of sitting here reading this doesn't make sense. This right here pushes the plate out way too far, so you can't even screw in the mounts when you have them on there because these bolts are way too short. So this is what you're gonna do. This is gonna be hella easier. You're gonna take these nuts. Well, you have to add these nuts into this. Yeah, so you take this and then you add them in here. I don't know why I don't shoot out the rip, but here, take these three and then you're gonna screw them onto here. Just gonna take 3 of these, screw them in slightly, just so you can slide it into the bed rail. You're just gonna take your plate with the mounts on it and slide it in. Then you're just gonna mount it wherever you want it to be. I think about right there is cool with me. I also wanted to show you guys, this is the brace that's supposed to go behind here, but look how much further it sticks out. So with this hardware, that don't work. So all you have to do is take your WaterPort and throw it up here. I'm gonna see really quick if this fits, because that looks pretty tight. This too, I'm not 100% sure if it's gonna fit with my soft top. Okay, so after a bunch of fandangling, everything seems to be in place, like barely clearing almost in some places. Like this right here, the hose is like barely clearable for my frame brace, but pretty cool. Then we're good. We're good, guys, we're good. And then you just gotta attach like a lock or something here so no one can steal it. It is so hot back here, dude. Had to hit myself with the water one time. So here's it mounted. Kind of like flaring, whoops. It's all working. Everything is accessible. The little Schrader valves right here. Yeah, pretty tight clearances if you have a soft top, but should be good. So I've had this filled since yesterday. It's kind of be interesting to see what the pressures are looking like. This is from the hose. It's upside down, but it's a little bit over 12 psi. Let's see if we can make that higher. Alright, so I got my Vlare compressor. It says max pressure for it is 40 psi. about 40 psi. Check it now. It's a little bit under 40. It says max psi do not exceed 50, but people tell me if you're gonna leave it aired up, leave it around 40. So this is max psi. Pretty cool. And then we'll check it tomorrow. I'll check it tomorrow, see how well it holds. I'll check it throughout the whole month actually, see how well it holds pressure. If it doesn't, I mean, 150 bucks. Not too bad for 150 bucks. Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching another video. I will catch you guys the next time. A bunch of more parts coming in. I think we're going up on a trail this weekend. Hopefully it's fun. I'll see you guys there. Peace.